Oh,
snipe
thank you
this.
Phindile Shayanga Nkosi yami eGlavini.
We can snipe
Memkidi
this, guys.
senzeni siwasebenzise wonke. Or silinde
Somebody
next game.
snipe.
Phindile senzeni sesebenzise lakho sibone lizoshaya. Phela
Snipe
sasengamatshitshi
ngaleyo
lamadlavu.
ndlela, Shem.
Sifuna
Ngiyasaba
ukukushaya Ntombo.
ngiyawasaba
As long akafiki 5K angeke ngicone.
We can snipe this, my people.
Niyabezwa abantu bakalwazi. As long akafiki 5K ongishaye ngayo ngu100 angeke ngicone. Memkidi senze njani? Phindile senze njani? Sebenzise lika Phindile solibona nesigame. MaQueen nami senze njani? Guys, ngicela sifollow wena MaQueen Nkosi yami. Ngicela sifollow wena uMemkidi, sifollow wena uPhindile Fandipenta. Ngicela guys, sibancediseni ngefollow. Sonke siyabafollow ama MVP wethu amaQueen. Alright Phindile Nkosi yami, thank you. Bheka Memkidi, siyasniper futhi sithothole linye. Nawe Phindile unayi right yokusniper futhi ube ne2 yamadlavu. Ungaba ne5 yamadlavu u1 is fine.
Everyone, let's go, guys.
Ningidlalela igame yabona this time. Phindile yabona you are going there now. Nethi ungibhorile this time ukhuthi speed. Yabo, lesa simele sisactivate ngeRosely 1.
Everyone, let's go, guys.
Ungangilahli Nkosi yami Memkidi. Yabona uPhindile njengoba bheka Memkidi. Ngicela sidlale igame leya kuphela uPhindile afake. Oh, thank you Phindile. Lethi Phindile afake iglove lakhe yabo sidlala igame le bese uzohamba yakwenya kucela. Ha, guys basniping.
I told you.
Guys basniping.
Yay!
Guys ngitshela abantu bakalwazi. Guys bhekana abantu bakalwazi. Guys mangithi ulwazi imshayeni kakhulu ngisho lokho guys. Memkidi thank you. Phindile thank you. Ha.
Thank you. Hi.
Oh guys thank you. Guys nginitshelile ukuthi abantu bakalwazi ngiyabazi. Angithi mamphindi bathi ulwazi imshayeni kakhulu kuba ngathi mina ngiyabazi abantu bakalwazi.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Mara thank you guys Shem, thank you. Ngiyabazi abantu bakalwazi Nkosi yami. That's why mangithi ulwazi imshayeni kakhulu makufika abantu bakhe Nkosi yami bazosenza
kahle. My first big gift. Oh my God.
Guys times 2. Can you try guys?
Thank you so much. God bless you. Woo, that was
times
amazing.
2. Guys first give 20 times 2. Guys first give 20 times 2 guys.
First gift on doubles.
Kule game. Kuyonyiwa guys. First give 20 times 2 guys. Can you try my team? Guys times 2. Oh guys sebethe bangifake ama-icing. Guys times 2.
Let's go my MVP.
Guys times 2.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Guys yini semthukiwe.
Woo!
Ha mara guys inesiphamunyana mfethu besolingana nawe ulwazi. Guys yini senithukiwe.
Thank you so
much. Memkidi Nkosi yami. We lost the speed, Shem. We lost the speed. Marunga wari Memkidi. Thank you.
Woo!
Guys ngisayidlini encane. Let's all tap. Let's all tap.
King in the house.
No,
hey,
okay, akunankinga Phindile my thank you.
Everyone, let's go, guys.
Kungathi ukhona into ozoyenza kanti ayikho into ozoyenza phela sekudala ngiphathekile nethi bengisafuna Okay Memkidi ala kuzofuneka idlavu.
Let's go guys, let's go. We activate.
Guys 2 yama rose to advert. Guys can we work as a team? Guys abanye nenza. Guys can we have 2 roses to advert the speed?
2 roses.
Guys
2 roses. Let's get right.
Guys 2 roses.
Anyone else with a rose?
Eshenyi poza yami Nkosi yami ithola ama visitors. Oh thank you Phindile. Guys one more person with a rose.
Rose.
Guys one more person with a rose. Guys why ningena teamwork kanti? So mele kuzabo Memkidi futhi bezositakhunula ngerose.
Hi. We just gone.
Phindile my queen, let's use a glove. Hey. Let's try to use a glove. Of my queen. Fag it glove. Fag it glove, fag it glove, fag it glove, fag it glove, fag it glove. Yeah, fag it glove, my queen.
We don't have we have a glove. And we don't have speed.
Idlove sofuna idlove
I
man.
am South African. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Yazi idlove
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Phindi yabona idlove ne
Let's see
awu
what they
promote
do.
awayo Brian. Phindi yabona
Hello,
idlove ne
Draba.
beka sebefaka idlove bene
Also
1k
have a glove,
abanazwelo abantu
guys.
bakwalazi.
On the
Mangintshela
glove, on the
Phindi you
glove.
must listen to
I'm
me.
begging.
Yabona beka basifakela idlove bana 1k.
I just gave a glove. Woo! It did not catch. You gave a glove to who? Yay! Thank you so much. The glove is not working. Oh, yes! We lit up all my guns. Thank you so much, Freddie. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. God
Oh,
bless
ngihlalisela
you.
ukuthi
Thank you,
ngizowitness
thank you,
ukuthi
thank you.
uyangishaya. Ungihlalisela ukuthi ngizowitness ukuthi uyangishaya.
Hamba fast ikhona uzobuya uzoqala igame.
Ngizoyikhamba seyiqalile kahle sengidlule nespeed relax Ntombo.
Alright.
Guys ingabe sine glove siyalifaka.
My MVP. That's how we do it. Yeah. Recharge your guns lapho. Sibone ukuthi nidube ngani.
Guys can you all tap? Guys why are you not tapping? Phela akusilo mama lo bofuna umcothela mina yimina la ngeke ungicothele next yimina. Yimina engibuyile la. Bocothela lo mama la umshanga bo 4k. Mara wena lwazi awunazwelo ngashaya lo mama nge4k yaqala. Eqala. Uvele wamthusa nje mwenzi so.
Kuyakwenzeka iphutha.
4k eqala.
Bekuyiphutha. Everyone we go, guys. Tap this.
Wena pheplu wena uzothi please add Zim. Bese sisathi siyam add Zim bese asimthola ngekho. Na last time washo njani? Lwazi awubheka uZim ngebackup.
My MVP. Let's sibone ukuthi khona yini khona kumanje singaka.
Phela lo pheplu oh Sisiphindi thank you. Thank you Sisiphindi thank you Nkosi yami thank you. Thank you Sisiphindi. Thank you Nkosi yami.
That was so great. Thank you.
Sisiphindi yabona abantu bakalwazi benzani. Do you see them? Do you see them?
But Zim khona.
Mfaki. Guys, do you see them? Do you see them?
All right. We do it together as one. Let's go, family. La familia. Zimi. Ngempela ke kodwa.
Yes. Mina le ring light ayisangifuni.
Everyone tap the screen.
Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live.
Uzima ukhona hamba phela uhamba usheshe ubuye.
Ubani?
Relax again. Asina speed. Mazikode sawubona. Asina speed.
No.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Ngobi, I see you there. Thank you guys.
Phindi
Thank
you
you so
there,
much.
my queen.
Let's keep going.
Phindi usasekhona. Usasekhona Phindini.
Let's go. My
MVP, thank you for the
the one and only.
Phindile mangabe ukhona faka iglove.
King of Kings.
Yabo ngoba labantu abakhona abana teamwork yabo. Faka iglove my queen. Faka iglove.
Asise smokeless ke ngapha.
Everyone, let's go, guys.
Yo, ngicela manje abandayo anabo.
Everyone, let's go, let's go. We tap and stay active, guys. Hey, alright, phone ring guy. You got like
Yeah. Yeah.
Everyone, let's go, guys. Let's
Thank
go,
you so
T.
much.
I can
Baba.
say Hi.
Kaya banda mar.
Everyone, tap the screen, guys. Let's go.
Yamazi undercover. Abekho allowed green screen. I go allowed.
Yeah, Everyone, tap the screen for me. It's in Sati like go yeah, my game. Nobody can see at all.
And alright. Mpa.
Zimi, am I stalking? Am I lagging?
Ah. Kuyafana uzolala ngoku muswena. Kuyafana. Can we push, guys? Can we push? We need to get 2 fragments today.
Everyone, let's go.
Well, I got 12 for Rona. The streamer. No, I don't know why I'm pushing Kangaga Lana because I don't want to go to A. Like, I don't want to go with A.
Our phone.
Sharp. My A. Oh, it's not the shape.
Our phone will color.
Ibang bangeli depression.
And then.
Are you going live?
Everyone, let's go.
Ukuphi ithumo sona kanti ukuphi ba?
Uba.
Chitova. Undercover la. Okay. Khawuleza. Kukho umuntu afuna usijoyina.
Guys, can you all tap?
Niyazwa?
Ubani?
Unoxi.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the love, my team? Let's all tap. Thank you for tapping. Let's all tap.
Thank you, Soki. Oh, mina ngisolo. Andiyahleli lo ungalali wona siswe green screen.
Makhane ndiyekeni kanti into engxakini.
Hayi kanti hayi wo kanti kuhlala njani umuntu ofake i-green screen?
Hayi but
Hayi
guys
ke.
like it's not like the smoke.
Ngeke Nkosi yami ngeke.
Hayi cha.
Ngeke Nkosi yami ngeke. Sifuna ukukubona.
Vela Ntombi.
Guys. Hey guys, are you really doing that?
Yes.
You're like ngikhubekile
One
guys.
day,
Like,
vela sigcwalisa ama-gift gallery Nkosi yami.
Sifuna ukukubona. We want to see you. Siblings sawubona. We want to see you.
Hayi cha.
Asifuni isithombe, we want the real you.
no, Zimi, let me close my live. Good night, guys.
Hayi ngiyamvalela vele.
No, it's okay, guys. Good night.
Yo.
Mtaze hayi. Bayadlala.
Esidlaleni.
No, it's
Siyabathanda
fine.
phela abantu abangalayo phela thina.
Oh,
Akasadlaliswa. La kufuneka umuntu onenhliziyo encane la.
yeah, guys.
Yabatsho uthi ngifakeni bakukhohlwe 2 games.
Guys,
Yeah.
from 3.
Bekukhohliwe. Ubuyele futhi anifuni ukungifaka bekufake. Ifoni yakhe phela ibattery. Guys, first give time so.
Hawu ngibonile umamkhulu ubambe intambo lapha.
Awusamshiyeli ngisho iDonald Nyani uyamhleka. Hey mara wena Zimu wena.
Bengisabhizi.
Bengigeza mina leso sikhathi ngihlale ngagezi ngendaba ze-live. Umamkhulu akhona. Kumele bamjwayele umamkhulu. Bamjwayela bamthephele iscreen. Mina ngithe mangifika kwatshentsha izinto la.
Thank you,
Guys,
Tom.
3.
Thank you so much.
Mina ngithe mangifika kwatshentsha izinto la bamjwayele umamkhulu. Bamjwayela. Kahle kahle yazi ngenza kumele ngistreame nginaye. Yabo? Bamjwayele ukuthi hayi sho ukuthi ngoba bacount iscam mhlawumbe abanye.
Yeah.
Bacount iscam.
Kodwa banokumbona nje evelile.
Badelela. Badelela.
Usabelo.
Badelela umamkhulu nje kuphela ayikho into indaba yawo. Ayikho indaba yawo. Ngeke bangenze lezo yabona kumanje abathepha iscreen. Yabo? Ngeke bazenze lezo kimi bazosithepha.
Guys, you need 10 roses. Usabelo yanyamalala yo.
Uyamanyalala.
Ngiyaphila njani Sabelo?
Guys, you are not even tapping the screen.
much for activating.
Naqala lamasimba wena ongathepha iscreen.
DJ Focus. Yebo. Guys, tap the screen for me. Let's go. Thank you for the taps, guys. To everyone that is tapping on the screen, let's go.
Uphu sweet kan.
Ngitheni. Times 3 guys, ngicela ngibulalele bona.
Hayi, ezifuna ukusibulala relax. Relax. Njengoba ulapho ku 300 usibulele Nkosi yami yabona thina abanye siku 0. Usibulele over. Usibulele. Uphula amasweet namhlanje urushawa network.
No, but angisakhumbula ukuthi ngitheni. Mina nawe yinto esiyikhulumayo Sabelo. Ngaleso sikhashana sebufikile la.
Mama zivaselini ngapha.
Yo mara anabo. Hayi.
Awumzilikazi kaMashobane Nkosi yami. Awumzilikazi kaMashobane ilembe limnyama eleqamanye amalembu ngokukhalipha Nkosi yami. Wema. Unjani bhuti omdala? Unjani bhuti omdala? How was your day? Guys, can you all tap?
Thank you, Kwalita.
Umzilikazi kaMashobana unoka nakandaba ilembe limnyama eleqamanye amalembu ngokukhalipha.
Ungazi smile. Yini ezongimake? Unless you can do something ezongenza ukuthi ngismile.
Njengoba ubona Nkosi yami. Yazi iyenzani sisiphindi iyeke iphele nje kuphela yabo. Ungayenzi next. Iyeke iphele nje. Sibona next game. Sibona next game. Guys, can you all tap? We are losing. Sibona next game nje yabo. Relax nje.
Ngismile mina.
Sibe semaphaki.
Sabelo ngiyazalwa namuhla ngicela ikhokhi. Ibirthday yami namuhla.
zima ibhede yakho ngidlale nawe imini yonke ungangitsheli. Uneyitori wena.
Lucky yini boza yini.
Akhuluma
Ibhede
nawe.
yami ngibaba. Ngicela i-corgi, imagine. Just a corgi
Indaba
Isabella.
zakho
Thank you guys for tapping the screen guys. Ngiyabonga my team. Thank you.
Corgi.
Mama zakungabhakeleni ngapha.
Isabella
Ngiyabuza.
uthi uma ngisengicela i-universe uzothini ke? Mase ngicela i-universe ke. Babo Dlamsa.
Everyone, let's go, guys.
Let's go my team.
Sabelo ngisho i-corgi mina, i-corgi inja leya la ka TikTok inja.
Guys, sesibuyile ne. Let's all tap. Guys, first gift ne. I-gift yokuqala guys. Ne izothi times 3 guys. Times 3 cabanga. Guys, first gift only times 3.
Mara sabelo uyayazi i-corgi.
Awubuyane boza yaka. Guys, first gift only times 3.
Guys,
Guys,
let's
times 3
go.
for guys, ngicela ningishayele labo
Everyone
sesi
tap the
Nkosi yami.
screen.
Guys, times 3. Oh, Buyane. Thank you sis Phindi Nkosi yami. Awumzilikazi kaMashobani Nkosi yami unjani futhi wakhe? We Nkosi yami ngiyabonga Buyane Nkosi yami. Thank you Phindile Nkosi yami. Ngishilo ukuthi asiyekele soyibona next game nazo-ke. Nazo-ke phezu wabo ningabayekeli ngicela bashawe kakhulu. Bengayekelwa Nkosi.
Sniping us, we return to 70%.
Yeah. Namhlanje sifuna lala siku number 1 kuma rankings.
Mbuyele emuva mina.
Siya ku A team yami mfuna siye kuye A iphindile. Mbuyani Nkosi yami cela ningise ku A Nkosi yami nethi ngashala bosisi ngama hard game ayi4. Siya ku A. Thank you sis Phindi Nkosi yami. Guys cela 10 ama rose ne. 10 ama rose guys best activate the speed. 10 roses we rosa. 10 ama rose no mi rosa. Oh, thank you mzilikazi kaMashobane futhi wakhe with Donald Nkosi yami. Thank you. Ngikuzanga mina.
10 roses, guys.
Thank you mzilikazi Nkosi yami. Guys, we are going on the times 2 ne.
Akwina unkingo.
Eh? Jamu ngihlise phone.
10 roses, please.
Alright.
Ulaphi uyasipolisha manje.
Guys on the speed, guys on the times 2. Guys on the times 2 my team ngiyabonga mzilikazi kaMashobane. Thank you. Guys on the times 2. Guys on the times 2. Oh, sisiphindile phezwa. Guys on the times 2. On the times 2. Sisiphindile mangabe unawo amahenda athi ungasala wafake ku speed Nkosi yami usala wakhanyise Nkosi yami. Guys on the times 2 my team.
Let's go, guys.
On the doubles Nkosi yami on the times 2. On the times 2 my team, let's go. Guys, we're only 10 seconds left on the speed. Phezwabo poza yaka phezwabo umzilikazi kaMashobane uzandisashaya kodwa awumzilikazi Nkosi yami. Thank you. How hey man kunini ngenza isidwedwe la kule app nginitshelile kuzofika amabhoza sinishaye kakhulu. Hawu mzilikazi kaMashobane Buyani 14. Thank you sisiphinde ima MVP ngiyabonga Nkosi yami. Hey ningenza umuntu Nkosi yami. Guys basnayipeni kakhulu.
But nje ngise ngihlale eGold mina. Ngihlale eGold.
Mzilikazi kaMashobane with the hand out phezwa. Phezwabo mabhoza. Ningabayeki. Ningacabanga ukusniper ngeLion. Ningacabangi. Ngiyanazi nini. Niyafaka kuyiLion kitten iswabe la.
Ungathi uyasazi ukuthi siyasaba. Shoot sithukile.
Ngiyanazi nini. Hawu ngiyabonga mzilikazi kaMashobane Nkosi yami ngiyabonga. Hawu sisiphinde thank you Mbuyane thank you. Thank you to everyone who is tapping the screen my team Nkosi yami. Namhlanje silala sika number 1 kuma ranking. Na kanjani? Dark or blue? Dark or blue. Guys, ngicela sibashaye net 5 yamagame a-strong kuphela. A-strong kuphela. Guys, don't forget to snipe. Mara sisiphindile nkosi yami ngikhohliwe ukuthi une-glove. Ngabe mhlawumbe umsebenzisele
Let's go,
glove
guys.
nkosi yami mara hayi manje solibona nesigame. Solibona nesigame. Liyaze li-expire nkosi yami liphelelwe yipower. Guys, let's snipe.
Everybody will
Really
go,
nice.
guys.
Ngisho lokho nkosi yami kumele sisnipe sithole elinye. Thank you sisiphindi nkosi yami. Sisiphindi nkosi yami. Thank you gift nkosi yami. Awe, thank you.
Yeah, moderator.
Oh, thank you Mzilikazi Mbuyani. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen for us nkosi yami. Awe. Awu Mzilikazi kaMashobane. Awu guys, sensithi match singakabona ama MVP wethu. Safuna checker something. Oh, thank you nkosi yami. Sisiphindile we've got a club ne-timer. Okay, akunankinga guys. Let's go. It's fine. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, ningakhohlwa nje. Guys, first gift on the times 2. First gift on the times 2.
Let's go, guys. Tap the screen. Yo, Ngobi, thank you for tapping.
Guys,
Yazi
first gift on the times
uyangisekela.
2.
You tapped
Guys,
so
ningabayeka
much. You
both.
tapped like 3.7 taps
Guys,
so
times
far.
Guys, times 2. My team times 2.
You
Ningakhohlwa.
are tapping a lot.
Ningabayeki.
Thank you, bro. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. God bless you. You are
Hayi
tapping even
sisiphindile
more
sisiphindile ngabe uqhubeke ngama-endathi ukuze akhanye.
times 2,
I'm
guys.
a
Times
that.
2.
Times 2 guys, times 2. Times 2 my team. Times 2 my team. Sisiphindile bheka. Yabona lama confetti nanani. Wona qhubeka ngama-endathi. Sokushoda kancane nje ama ngiwabheka ukuthi kushoda kangaki. Yabo ngoba alingana ne-confetti. Yabo. Ungaqhubeka ama-endathi sokushoda kancane.
Everyone,
Hayi
we
ngani.
go.
Oh, asashoda. Sokushoda kancane. Kancane nje kuphela. Guys, siya ku times 2 ne. Can you try to activate the speed? Can you try to activate the speed? Shota 3 kuphela. Guys, 10 yama rose besivulela
Everyone
ispeed
tap.
ne.
Let's go.
Guys, 10 yama rose nomi rosa. Besivulela ispeed guys ne. 10 yama rose nomi rosa. 10 yama rose nomi rosa. Yes. Oh, thank you VP.
10
Oh,
roses,
thank you
guys. 10
Phindile Nkosi
roses.
yami. Phindile besiyofika nini ku-10 sifaka nga-1-1. Thank you VP nja yami Nkosi yami. Thank you. Sisiphindile lama-endathi ne. Noma ungawafaka uma ungakwazi ukuwafaka wonke kule speed. Ku-right. Sizobe singawestanga wonke noma uma ungakwazi ukuwafaka wonke kule speed. Masiqeda kuvuleka
Everyone,
ku-right
go.
nakhona. Ku-right nakhona.
Thank you, DJ Focus, for the taps.
Guys, let's all
You
tap.
can
Guys, on the
snipe
speed
them,
again. Guys, on the
One
time 2.
forever, Rosa. You
Oh,
take them
sisiphindile with the hand out. Let's go times 2. Times 2. Let's go, my team. Let's go. Oh, sisiphindile with the hand out. Let's go, my team. Times 2. Phezu kwabo times 2. Times 2, my 2. Times 2. Let's go, guys. Times 2. Times 2, guys. Times 2. Let's go. Phezu kwabo. Thank you, sisiphindi, my MVP. Nkosi yami ngiyabonga VP. Thank you to everyone who is tapping the screen.
Guys, let's push, please.
Yeah, sisiphindi faka iglove manje. Yabo, kule glove ufaka ihandathi kulo. Faka iglove. Faka iglove, kule glove ufaka ihandathi kulo.
Everyone. Let go.
Sisiphindi faka iglove.
Thank you, Kolani.
Yes. On the glove, guys. On the glove.
Let's go. Oh, guys.
On the club ingasakishaya.
Ooh, hello, Spoon.
Ayishayanga Nkosi yami. Upress iglove. Ayishayanga. Oh, my gift of the handouts. Oh, Sis Phindi, thank you for leveling up because I'm level 17 in the field. Oh, level 17. My title gift of the handouts because thank you. Sis Phindi while ingashayanga ngoba le glove siceda kuthola manje
Yes,
ngasikudala.
guys, one galaxy.
Ngingazami ukusniper Nkosi yami.
One galaxy.
Le glove angazi while ingashayanga. Yazi Phindi wenzani ne ungapress iglove ne bese ungathi select gift ungaselect noma yipi gift ozoyiselect uyayipressa kayi2 le gift before uzothi send or mangabe iyabuhlula ukupressa kayi2 upress iglove futhi before uzofaka ayileyalile mara as long you are winning phela is fine. Sniper ngeDonald isithole elinye iglove futhi.
Everyone we
Eli
go,
fresh.
guys. Hi.
Sesilate relax sesilate. It's sesilate Nkosi yami jama ngicheke Nkosi yami. Oh, thank you.
seem very
Thank you to everyone who was
busy.
tapping the screen Nkosi yami. Thank you Sis Phindi Nkosi yami away. Silitholile shem silitholile Nkosi yami silitholile. Silitholile shem yazini kuningi.
Go kubi kithi yazi.
Nisazobuya abantu beni basazoza ayisilitholile Nkosi yami. Sis Phindi ne yazi manje asifakeni lesigcoko zama cowboy ungafaka ezi4 yabo phela yabo noma ungeke ukusifake zonke ezinye sozama edlavini isigcoko zama cowboy ama handouts seka right. Iglove solifaka after speed VP.
Doubles, guys, we go. Tap the
Solifaka
screen.
after speed guys times 2.
Stay active. Let's
Solifaka
go,
after
let's
speed
go.
yabo. After speed is faka iglove.
Do
Yabo.
it. First gift on times 2.
Start sidlala speed guys times 2. Guys times 2. How thank you Sis Phindi for leveling up Nkosi yami in the house level 17 in the house guys times 2. All right asina speed. Sis Phindi cicela iglove. Cicela iglove my queen Nkosi yami cicela iglove.
Everybody we push, guys.
Sis Phindi sicela iglove. Philani sawubona. Umakoti ngowethu angazi uSis Phindi or recharger futhi or wenzani. She's not responding.
Thank you.
Oh, nali glove ke guys, nali glove. Iglove guys, iglove. Guys on the glove. Ayilashaya Nkosi yami. Nkosi yami, ayishayanga Nkosi yami. Yipi with the head and mustache. Sis Phindi zama something on the glove ishayile Nkosi yami handout Nkosi yami. Thank you VP Nkosi yami why head and mustache ingashayanga. Oh, thank you
Everyone, let's
VP
go.
Nkosi yami. Thank you Sis Phindi. Sis Phindi usibonile lesigqoko esifakwe nguvenda. Esifakwe nguVP boy. Funeke ezi4 kuphela yabo. Bese zizokhanya nyazi. Jama inkinga ngazi kuzovela since kuyi 3 way. Since kuyi 3 way angazi izovela kahle lesigqoko. Guys, thola 10 ama
Let's
rose
go,
ne.
guys. 10
Nomi
roses.
Rosa bezivulele speed. Thank you VP Nkosi yami.
10
Thank you to
roses,
everyone.
please.
Guys, 10 ama rose Nomi Rosa.
Anyone goes with 10 roses. Yo, we are
10
losing.
roses. 10 roses.
Sis Phindi
10
asena
roses.
glove
10
ne.
roses.
Or sasenelinye.
10 roses. More
Guys,
roses
10 ama
to
rose Nomi
there.
Rosa. Guys, can we have 10 roses or
10
Rosa? Oh,
roses,
thank you
guys.
VP.
10.
Thank you VP Nkosi yami. Thank you.
10.
Guys, we are going on the times 2. Yeah, VP Njayam. Guys, times 2. Guys, times 2. Guys, times 2. Guys, times 2. Oh, VP with them donuts. Oh my. Oh, guys, let's go. Sisiphindi faka lesigcoko lezi zama cowboy lezi esifana nalesi besuke safaka uVP. Oh, VP with the donuts. Oh, praise God, my team sangena ku 1K. Guys, we are still on the speed. Guys, we are still on the ×2. Guys, can you try to go harder on the ladies? Guys, on the ×2. Guys, we have 15 seconds left on the speed. You are still on the speed. Guys, ×2. Sisiphinde yabona kunokuthi ufaka ama-handard. Faka lesigcoko lezi zama-cowboy. Ibhalwe hate and mustache. Oh, Sisiphinde with them perfumes because I'm phezu kwabo. Phezu kwabo. 1 million. 1 million. Jayiva phezu kwenu kunja.
Guys,
Okay,
let's
pause.
tap, please. Let's be
Here
active
goes
in the house.
Jayiva phezu kwenu. Oh, thank you VP Nkosi yami Tonto.
Always
VP
work together
ngifuna
as one.
isigcoko sentambo
If you are
sejini
not
ne.
here for me,
Mara sibe
and
ngamakhalakhala
if you are
ahlukile.
not talking on the screen, there's no reason for you to
Alright,
be
tanko
here.
VP nja yami ngilwele shem yabo. Mara sibe ngesejini ngesentambo mara sibe namakhala so ngathi jini ngathi imhlotshana nama navy blue yabo. Sibe ngamakhalakhala nje bese siba ngesentambo. Mhlambe nentambo zakhona nazo zibe njalo nyana kancane. Ngizokulanda ku-inbox. Ngizoza kuwe ku-WhatsApp Nkosi yami. Sisiphinda sisnipe sithole elinye iglove. Let's snipe to get a glove, guys. Asnipe sithole iglove.
Umavuso.
Oh my God.
Nama TikTok universe.
Okay.
6.
Alright, thank you. Oh, thank you, my team. 17 in the building. VP, thank you. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen for us.
Angiboni ukuthi balon.
Khanyisa.
Oh. Official.
Bekadlalile officially. Uluze nje kancane nakhona
Oh, Papa Zondi. Nkosi yami, how are you, Papa Zondi?
manje bahleli nje uloku umsendela ama universe.
How are you, Papa Zondi? Guys, can you all tap on it? Papa Zondi, how are you? Guys, first kiss ×3. Guys, ×3.
First gift
Guys,
times
first
3,
gift only
guys.
×3.
Whoa, girl,
Guys,
shout
×3.
out.
Guys, ×3. First gift ×3, my team. Oh my God. Go where to? Go where to? Oh, thank you, Sis Pindi Nkosi yami. Thank you, them first pop. Thank you. Thank you, my team, Nkosi yami. Thank you, my team. Thank you, my team. Sis Pindi konja sisena glove ne? Yo para Sis Pindi ungidlalele Nkosi yami, yazini ungenza umuntu namhlanje Nkosi yami, yazini. Angazi ukuthi bengizoba yini ngaphandle kwakho namhlanje. Nabanye nje abebade bedlula ngendlela bethola wena solo uyibambe kanjani. Wonke umuntu ufikile wakuncedisa wadlula wabuya umemkidi uthi usazobuya ufikelwa abantu bemzini. Lihle my queen, how are you Nkosi yami? How are you Nkosi yami Shem? Yazini kuningi. It's a lot Shem, yazini.
Go to finance for at least 30 minutes.
Guys, can you have 10 roses or a rosette to activate the speed ne? Alright, Lihle, good night Nkosi yami. Guys, cela 10 ama rose nomi rosa to activate the speed. Alright, what? Oh, thank you Papa Zondi. Guys, 10 ama rose nomi rosa.
Everybody,
Alright.
let's move it.
Lihle kunomuntu
Let's
oneglove Nkosi yami. Ngicela si-activate any speed. Lihle yazi Lihle na uneglove.
roses, guys.
Ungawari ngeglove Sisiphindi solisebenzisa noma kusasa. Guys, 10 ama rose nomi rosa. Solisebenzisa noma kusasa is fine yabo. You have done the most Shem. Yabona wena. When you have done the most Shem. Guys, cela 10 ama rose nomi rosa.
Asinikeze igame Shane.
Nizongipha mfethu, nizongipha. Thank you Sisiphindi Nkosi yami. Thank you Sisiphindi Van der Bebe. Nizongipha igame I know. Hayi Van der Mer. Van der Bear.
Uyena ongakwazi ukubhala isibongo sakho ufandimele.
Ubhalwe
Ngiyabona.
njani?
Ubhale wrong.
Oh, Mavuso is doing the most la.
Everyone, let's go,
Ngimtshelile
guys.
lo ukuthi bazomsniper kuma-Donald wakhe afake athe xaxa angenza ibhara. Angenza ibhara. Oh, Van der Beek. Oh, Phindile Van der Beek. Oh, Van der Beek. Phindile Van der Beek. Sowuzwile lazi. Lwazi. But Phindile Van der Beek. Sisiphinde yabona nkosi yami suyi-title gift yama-handouts nkosi yami nama-donuts. Yabo. Uze wasnipe khona umuntu bekayi-title gift yama-donuts ugcine somsnipile wena nama-handout yabo. Bese lokho okunye ongakhanyanga yikho sobe sishoda ngakho. Yabo. Next time yabona. Lokhu kweyigcokonyana lokhu nalokhu ama-kisses nalokhu kweyinjanyana lokhu yabona lokho kuyizinja kulingana naleyo boyifaka eshaya izandla. Yabona le beshaya izandla le masifaka ku times 3. Yeah. Nalo lenja le kufuneke zi3 yabona njengoba kubhaliwe lapho u3 bese lezi ezibhalwe hearts lezi zi200 coins zona kufuneke zi3 nazo bese nalokhu kwethi igcoko lokho yabo ilento ebengiyifuna sikhathi ngithi kulama handout amanye wafakile ngabe ufake leti igcoko lesi ngoba ziyalingana nama handout mhlambe ngabe sokukhanyile mara akusena ndaba yabo is fine sobona yalilanga. Thank you my team. Thank you, my team, Kosam. Thank
Can you
you.
please light my donuts? I need 12 donuts.
Yo,
Just donuts,
Kosam, uyifuna. Thina size sawafaka sikubhiya ama-12 donuts.
Angithi awu
Yeah, kusasa my queen. Kusasa Nkosi yami, anytime nje. Ngoba nakusasa ekuseni ngizostream. Mashilona sawubona bhuti wami Nkosi yami. Ngabona wena ngabona ama-donut Nkosi yami yazini kuningi.
Let's
Sasa
go,
sisiphili
guys.
Nkosi yami yazini. Inkosi ikubusise sesiwami yezo. God bless you, Shem.
And why are you speaking broke Zulu kanti? Uthini? Ngiyafuna. Ufuna ukuthini? Uzokhuluma
Ufuna ungena.
Zulu. Yo, let's go with the donuts. Thank you
Guys,
so
times
much.
3. Guys, times 3.
So no ngami yazi.
Uthini lakhe?
Uthi ufuna ukungena i-broken Zulu yakhe ngiyayifila ngathi uthi ufuna ukungena.
Ubani lo?
Can we make
Thomas.
it to 12 donuts, please? Oh, I wanted to say I like her. Yes? I love show and I like him as a tata.
I don't know where is Candy. I don't think she's live.
Uke weza ku live yami
Yeah,
ngidlala no
What's it?
nolwazi. Wathi on Monday ngithi siyazama. Wena bowuqeda kuphuma. Angithi mina mangibuye ngithi uphuzimba sekaphumile.
Oh, udlulile nami la kaShongwe next.
I know. Oh my God.
Ngathi eshimande kubi bengakakhanyisi ngisho nama-rose. Ngimtshothe uyabona imande Nkosi yami kubi.
I always don't know how to answer that. Can we have another
Inkinga
donut
ngala
to
hlala khona.
activate this
La
speed?
thuthele khona inetwork isemhlupha. Yabo.
Another
Somela
donut
thenga
to
idatha
activate
always
this
futhi mhlambe urangaza arana mali idatha. Network isemhlupha. Iyona kuphela emhluphayo.
Or Maru Candy uzobona uzobuya in the AMs. Uzobuya.
Or mhlambe the AMs because kune smoke. Oh, thank you Papa
Let's go,
Zondi
guys.
Nkosi yami. Ayithena ama-rose noma i-rose.
Hi, how are you, Malombo?
Guys, can you have 10
Donuts,
roses or a
donuts,
rose?
please,
Guys, can you all
donuts,
tap?
donuts,
Guys, ngoba
please.
sohamba uphindile vela sisayenza njalo. Asisatap ne-screen mara nina yo.
Donut, KB, please.
Phela ngikhona nokumcheck-a nge-backup. Onke ama-backup ama-block-iwe lapha.
Hey, neyami ublokiwe vela ngeke ngikwazi
Hallelujah,
ukucheck.
local candy.
And hayi
Nami
ukuthi
kodwa
uwabhlokha ngoba
sengiblockile
uthi
yakhe,
ngabantu abahlala
nami
bengathephi. Usazi kahle ukuthi lo ngubani lo. Lo ngibhlokha ubani. Hayi ukuthi ubhlokha ngoba abantu bafika behlale bengathephi. Istory.
hayi nami yakhe ngiyiblockile.
KB.
Awusangitsheli manje ukuthi ugcina uyitholile. Ngagcina imemeza same day. Athi Queen B.
Hayi ngiyitholile nami angeke
Hayi
phela
nami
because
ufuna uvele kuyenza njalo. Ngizoza kuwe ku-backdoor. Ngizoza kuwe
wamchazela mina
ku-backdoor.
ukuthi
Backup
yami le
ayigcwala
account. Backup.
Yeah, candy.
Queen le, hayi Queen B le.
Oh, we'll check.
Ngiyeza
Everyone, let's
umfoka
go, guys.
ngiyeza umfoka ngasho ukuthi hayi uzokhipha manje. Ngafika ngangena kuwe. Ngalalela ngezwa sombuza manje wena ndoda manje. Hayi. Angiyiboni. Wathi ngena ku-YouTube wathi ngiyongena njani ukublockile. Hey wayimemeza. Hey wayimemeza. Hey awuthi sithule mhlawumbe usathi uyakhuluma nje uzongena uzocheck.
Mara ngiyifihli
Hayi,
lento engishoyo. Ngoba mina ngikhona ukungena nge-backup naye ngibona kunesidingo ukuthi angene ke.
Yes.
Hey
Yo
Siso.
Phindile udlale ngabo 8 till manje.
Udlalele mas.
You don't
Ngithe
understand
mangifika
what
ngiceda
is
kuhlala
said.
esitulweni naye fika nkosi yami.
What language
Thank you with the
do you
rose.
speak?
Malume how key.
language?
Thank
What
you
is
with the
your own
rose
language?
nkosi yami. Thank you malume. Guys, let's all tap the screen. Hayi sondo lijikile lwazi swaba nje. So wena onje. Hayi manje sengaphaka ipapa ngidle manje inhliziyo yami sokuhlalekile maye bengeke idleke kahle. Yabo ngale ndlela obekwenzeka ngayo bengeke ngigwinye kahle nani nibonile. You understand the situation as streamers. We can't eat on a scenario like that. We have to pick.
It's
You
not on
understand?
your
Now
account
I
to
can eat.
me. I can see with the gift and but I'm not.
Uqedile.
Ubutebo kani?
I'm only going to follow you back now. Or
Ubutebo.
it's even private. Ukubani?
Utebo.
Ukhona live. Udlala noNtuthu. KB, can you please put the
Like ngicela
donut?
ubatshela abantu
I
bami
want to-
bangithepele ngiyabuya.
Alright.
I want to go off after this match for a couple of minutes and come back, but I need to have donuts first.
Hamba makuphela le match mos. Ithi nami ngenze something masinya la
I
ngizobuya
don't know. I've been telling you I don't know, but you are not telling me who you are. How
Thank
am
you
I
guys.
supposed to know?
Smokeless. It's sad. It's actually sad how smokeless we are. But
Hey,
someone
it's
will
sad,
help
it's
us.
sad.
If I can guess, I
You are
would
smokeless,
say
guys. Look at that. Not even
this
tapping the screen. It's
is
very sad, nkosi yami. Papa
Harry.
Zone. Bukani ulwazi has been winning la you won.
Thank you. We can't do one donuts. We just have to do all of them. At least if we get speed on this one, we can put them on speed. You see?
Ni plan ukwenzani?
Jules, are you tapping? You're calling on teamwork. Are you tapping? Zimi's people. If you
Zimi
want
bantu
to see her
bakaZimi
on
ningayenzi
screen,
so.
tap for her.
Ningayenzi so taphani screen.
Ufake lama
Ayikho
rose.
right lento le niyenzayo. Ayenziwa kanjalo.
Nami Ntambiso
Ayenziwa kanjalo.
usuka ngale. Ntambiso phela cela ulayitha ama rose nawe.
Yazincengela udambiso mekele nkosi yami. Thank you ngerose kuzimi. Thank you.
Ngithi ngicela akhanyise ama-rose.
Oh. Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed?
Siyabonga wemnqobi.
Mina vele nami uzofuneka restart.
Times 2.
Awuthi ngenzi ukudla. Ngoku ndithi.
Donuts. Let's keep going with the donuts. Don't let the speed go without finishing the donuts, please. Let me see how many do we have. More donuts, please. More donuts. Let's keep going. Only 4 dropped. Let's keep going with the donuts. What the KB?
I'm sure they didn't even tap.
Guys, let's go.
Yeah, they left. Everyone left.
Guys, let's all tap.
You come back with what, Gagas? What did you bring for me? Udla amaplate awu-2 wedwa. Hayi lakhe kanti uyisapho nokudla ngapha.
Ngifuna ufudumeza. Bengisusa le
Uyaphila
bephakathi.
ukudla okudlayo. Okay guys, thinginishiyeni kancane.
Sharp.
So we are